So here's a distilling question that I get asked all the time. And the answer is mostly no, but sometimes kinda. Do I need to separate fore shots from the beginning of a stripping run? In other words, in our first distillation where we're not creating the final product, we're just cutting down the volume and raising the ABV, do I need to remove some of the alcohol at the beginning because we don't want that in our final product? And the answer is almost always no. Here's why. The stripping run is the distilling version of a hammer. It's a blunt, heavy object that goes whack whack. We use it to make relatively imprecise big changes to the spirit really, really quickly. The spirit run, on the other hand, is a sharp blade. There's a lot more finesse with this. You might not do as much heavy lifting as quickly, but you can be a lot more accurate. So if our goal with cuts, deciding what spirit we're going to keep and what we're not, is going to be a finesse operation, which tool are we going to use? This one. Every freaking time. Well, almost every time. I can't say I've ever done this, but I could kind of imagine a situation where for whatever reason, you want to limit yourself to 2 pot still runs, double pot distillation. And for whatever reason, again, hypothetically, you want a higher ABV at the end. It might be beneficial to remove some of the crappy stuff at the beginning that would come off as heads on the second run to get you into hearts faster. But this is super freaking niche. And honestly, if that's what you're after, just look at triple distillation, like the Irish do. And that's why whenever I do a stripping run, you'll almost always see me collecting into a larger vessel like this. It's just easier.